Don't let your confidence be crushed when you think your world has crashed. You will fall, you will fail as you pursue greater things. Your pain can be evident. Ramdam na ramdam mo na napakasakit. Lahat ng sakripisyo, feeling mo na baliwala. All the hard work. And sometimes you will even ask yourself, how can I recover from this? Naniniwala ko na whatever pain that you are experiencing now, may purpose dyan, because it will enable you to become a better person. Whatever failure na tingin mo na nagkaroon ka, it's just an event, it's not you, it's not your identity, and it will make you stronger, it will make you better, it will make you wiser. And kung ano man yun, at least hindi mo na siya mauulit. Sana, no? Sana. And whatever happened, it's not the end. There's always hope. So wag mong iisipin tapos na ang lahat, di ka makaka-recover. You will recover. Especially kung kasama mo yung grace ni God. You will recover. Eventually, all your hard work will pay off. Continue lang sa pagtatanim, doing the hard work, the smart work. It will pay off lahat ng sakripisyo mo. I know you got this.